Hello, my name is Jose Antonio Alvarez. Today's topic is it is good to have only one child, why or why not? As parents, we know how much our children means to us. Then, we care and we love them so much. Therefore, as responsible parents, we give them all their needs, such as we feed them when they're hungry, we send them to school, and the most important, we guide them. Also, we know kids are good. They bring joyness to a family, and usually parents enjoy a lot with them. However, we cannot ignore the real situation that we have. Therefore, in my opinion, having only one child is a great idea and a great decision. First of all, as we know today life it's hard because of the global warming. It had already affected all over the world. For example, there are not enough food and not enough drinking water. Second, the international economic crisis. It had already affected all over the world as well. Because of that, we have high rate of unemployment and not enough housing. Those are the reasons why it is great idea to have only one child. For example, if we have only one child, it will be much easier to afford if we compare with those parents who has more than one child. Thank you.